We demand that the Kenya Kwanza government resigns, as it has neither the mandate nor the ability to govern the country. 8, we ask our people to say no to the order regime. This regime and its unfortunate and unfair policies must be resisted, and the resistance starts today. Dear Kenyans, dear Kenyans, you know that what we do in Kenya matters for Africa and the rest of the world. There will be no reason for citizens of any country to participate in elections only for them to be stolen by domestic cartels in cahoots with their foreign companies and masters. When we sort out the mess here in Kenya, we will be on the track to helping Africa and much of the third world to sort out their elections and ensure no one gets to power through the back door as Mr. Ruto did. If it is going to take the resilience of the people of Kenya to help Africa sort out its elections problems, I am ready to lead that process. The order regime must go.